Hello everyone, welcome back to Kitchentastic. So today I am back with a wonderful sweet Indian recipe. Yes, any guesses? Okay, so today we are going to make laddu. Before we proceed, I would like to express my love towards our sisters. I would like to dedicate today's recipe to all those lovely sisters and happy Raksha Bandhan. We are always here to protect and love you. Back to our recipe. As usual, I have simplified our laddu making process into 3 simple steps. Please do watch my video till end and enjoy. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy laddu recipe. So what you all need to do is don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Kitchentastic and follow me on Instagram at cookwithib, like our Facebook page kitchentastic.in. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.